Hi guys, welcome back. Apple just rolled out the 8th developer betas of iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, arriving just a week after the release of the 7th betas. Registered developers can access and install the latest builds directly from the software update section within the Settings app. Both iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 introduce Apple's striking new liquid glass design language, which emphasizes translucency, depth, and fluid, glass-like interface elements. This modern aesthetic stretches across the lock screen, home screen, control center, and even extends into app menus and buttons, bringing a consistent and polished look across the system. Beyond the visual overhaul, Apple has also packed in several powerful new features. Core apps like Messages, Phone, Shortcuts, and Apple Music have been updated with fresh capabilities designed to enhance daily use. Apple is also integrating its latest Apple Intelligence features, which aim to make the operating system more proactive and context-aware. A revamped CarPlay experience offers greater personalization and functionality for drivers. And on the iPad side, iPadOS 26 goes a step further with a major upgrade to multitasking. The new system allows users to manage multiple app windows at once, delivering a more Mac-like workflow that bolsters productivity. The official launch is expected later this year.